Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Facebook forgot password without email and phone number. So let's go into the Facebook mobile application, guys. And here, if you have already logged in, you haven't logged out from your Facebook, then you can recover it, right? So basically you have to just go to the setting and privacy, go to the setting, and here you can just get this option security and login. And here, just a second, you can just click on change password, and after that you can write the current password, the new password, and re-enter your new password, and that's it, right? So you can just recover it. But somehow if you haven't used you haven't logged in into your Facebook ID, then there are some problem which you're going to face, because email and phone number are the only two way where Facebook will first verify you that whether you are the correct person or the owner of the ID or not. And after verifying, they send you the OTP, right? So without a phone number or email, it's not possible. You have to use a phone number or email, or you have to contact to the help center. So this is, guys, and I hope you found this information really helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.